Hello and welcome to the PDF Maker. In this video, I'll show you how using Monday app, you can directly collect signatures through your document. Let's quickly get started. Once you're there on your Monday dashboard, you just have to click on New Task, add the name of your document. For now, I am just adding a sample document as the name of the document. Once you've added the name, then you have to add two columns, which is of file type. First will be the uploaded PDF, where you will be uploading the PDF. And the second will be the response PDF, through which you'll collect the signatures. Once you have added the two column as a file type, now let's upload the PDF directly from your table. Just click on this plus icon from your computer and there are various options from where you can upload the PDF. For now, I'm just going ahead with from computer. I'll just add a sample document. Once this has been added, as you can see, the document has been uploaded. Now we'll just click on this open task page. Once this has been opened, go to PDF Maker document signing. As soon as you click on it, you'll see four options after the upload of the document. First, if you haven't uploaded the document through your table, you can upload a file here also. For now, I'm just going ahead with the second option because I've already uploaded the file. I'll just select the column where I've uploaded, that is the uploaded PDF. That's the column where I've uploaded my PDF. Second is adding the recipient to which you have to send your document to. I have added, and if you have multiple signers, you can easily add from here. For now, I am just adding only one signer. And this is the output options. Once you have received the document with the signature, you'll receive a response PDF. And if you want, you can directly download it from the dashboard. And if you want, we have also created a second column, that is the response PDF. So I'll just select it. So whenever a user signs the document, I'll be seeing a response PDF under that column. Once all the three options are done, we'll just go ahead and choose the fourth one, that is create and send document, where the document will be uploaded to the editor, and we'll just place the signature field and other fields as per the document requirement. Once your document has been opened in the editor, there are various fields which you can attach to this particular document. For now, I am just going ahead with the signature field. I'll just drag and drop and place it wherever required. Once this is done, you can also add other signers from here also. So for now, I'm just going ahead with only one signer and I'll just hit the send button. There are three options available: by email, link, and person. For now, I am just going ahead with the link option because that is the most used option in Monday platform. I just click on it, will generate the link. Once the link has been generated, I'll just copy it and will share it with the desired recipient. For now, I've sent it to my other email only. So I'll just click on done. This is the dashboard. Once you've sent, you can see the status of the document. And once the signer have signed the document, you can easily download it from here also. But as we have created a second column for the response PDF, I'll show you how you can download it from there also. Once the signer has signed the document, it will show the status as signed. And if you want, you can download the response from here. For now, I'll just cancel this. And as you can see that the response PDF has been generated here. If you'll just click here, you'll get the option to print and to delete, and also print and download. So here is the document along with the signature fields. I'll just download it to show you how it will look. So this is the response PDF along with the signer signature. So this is how easily you can collect signature through Monday app. Thank you.